PCBA cleaning is a very important step in the electronic manufacturing process. It can remove impurities such as dirt, grease, and oxides from the circuit board to ensure that the surface of the circuit board is clean and pollution-free, thereby improving the reliability and performance of the circuit board. Traditional PCBA cleaning is mainly liquid cleaning, and liquid cleaning has certain disadvantages. But PLE also has corresponding processing methods. PLE is equipped with liquid cleaning machine, as well as ultrasonic cleaning machine. The cleaning effect is guaranteed to be no residue, and wastewater after cleaning will be recycled and processed by dedicated wastewater experts, whether it is dry ice cleaning or traditional process cleaning. The corresponding process will be selected according to different products. In order to improve product reliability and production efficiency, PLE has added the latest SMT production line with the most advanced production technology. Among them, dry ice cleaning is used to clean PCBA. Dry ice is solid carbon dioxide, which is compressed to become solid, and sprayed at high speed through a spray device onto the surface of the object to be cleaned. When dry ice particles contact the surface, due to the huge difference in temperature, dirt and contaminants quickly cool, shrink, and fall off in a short period of time, thereby achieving the cleaning effect. Compared with traditional cleaning methods, dry ice cleaning has the following advantages: can quickly remove dirt in a short time, improve cleaning efficiency. Dry ice will evaporate completely during the cleaning process without any residue, avoiding secondary cleaning. Dry ice is a renewable resource, does not produce any pollutants, can be used repeatedly, and meets environmental protection requirements. Dry ice cleaning uses solid dry ice solid carbon dioxide. Due to the low temperature characteristics of dry ice, it can easily remove dirt and impurities on the circuit board without causing any damage or corrosion to the circuit board itself and components. The dry ice plate washer can accurately control the cleaning temperature and time, and the cleaning effect is stable and reliable. In contrast, dry ice cleaning PCBA has the advantages of high efficiency, safety, stability, environmental protection, and reusability, and can effectively improve the quality and reliability of PCBA.